these nice people's home, and we have a furnace that the customer said was making a screeching sound whenever it tries to turn on. So we're about to start investigating. Let's see. Sorry, my hand is all shaky, but this is a customer said that he changed the capacitor. I'm not sure what capacitor, I guess the blower motor capacitor. And what do we have here? That is our, let's try to focus on the, can't focus on it. What's the model number there? Oh, I got the model number there. So we'll see what's going on. So it looks like that's the capacitor that the customer replaced. That's the screeching. Looks like the blower motor. The squirrel cage seems to be making that noise. Might be loose. I'll have to check that out. Okay, alright, so these are no fun whenever you have to work on the blower. For whatever reason, you have to remove all this stuff that's in the way. So we'll do that first. So clear the way. So now we're ready to slide this puppy out and see what's going on. Okay, so I got the blower out. How many can tell me what's wrong? I think everybody can see what happened here, right? See that it slid. It's supposed to be up here and it looks like it slid down there. I can see all that grease there. So we'll have to move it back up and then tighten that screw and we should be good. Sorry, it was a boring one. So just as I was gonna be nice and replace the capacitor, you know, this is the one that the customer installed, and I was gonna put it on the bracket. Here's the bracket. I pulled out the old one. I checked the microfarads. It's 7.5. The one that the customer put was 15. So you guys gotta keep your eyes open, buddies. Gotta replace it, but that's okay because we have one here, 7.5, and we'll put the bracket back on there and slide it back in there and we should be good to go. Well, actually I have to test it first, but yeah, keep your eyes open, you never know.